In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smart Select on Midjourney. By the end, you'll know how to isolate part of an image and replace it cleanly, all inside Midjourney's editor. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and open the official Midjourney website from the results. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your images and the editor. Once you're on the site, look for the Create area to browse and view the image you want to edit. This is where you'll pick the generated piece you'd like to modify. Click the image to open it in detail. You should see controls for interacting with that image. Choose Edit to launch the editor interface. Inside the editor, select Smart Select. This tool helps Midjourney detect an object's boundaries for you, which saves time and keeps edges clean. With Smart Select active, click or drag over the object you want to change. Take a second to make sure the selection hugs the subject closely. Clean selections lead to better results. If the selection grabs too much or too little, refine by adjusting your strokes until the mask fits the object you're targeting. When your selection looks good, choose Erase Selection. This doesn't just delete the object, it tells Midjourney, replace what used to be here. You'll now describe what should go in that space using a prompt. Be specific about the subject, its material, and the setting so the replacement blends naturally. For example, you might describe a ceramic coffee mug on a wooden table with soft, natural light and shallow depth of field. If you like, you can add camera details, realism notes, or model and style parameters to guide the output. Keep the prompt focused on the object you're replacing and the immediate context around it so the composition stays consistent. When your prompt is ready, click Submit Edit. Midjourney will process your request and render the updated image. Give it a moment, then review the result. If the replacement isn't quite right, small prompt tweaks, like clarifying color, size, or lighting, usually make a big difference on the next pass. The key is balancing detail with clarity so the model understands exactly what belongs in the selected area. That's the full workflow. Open your image, enter Edit, use Smart Select to target the object, erase that selection, write a precise prompt for the replacement, and submit the edit. Try it on different subjects to get a feel for how detailed your prompts need to be for seamless edits.